Hi, welcome to my channel, DishDashDelish, keeping it real and simple. Today I'm going to be making a chicken dish with lots of mushrooms and garlic. We're going to start off with 4 chicken breasts. I've already added some salt and pepper and some Italian seasoning on both sides. Add a couple of tablespoons of oil, not too much. I would say there would be about 4 to 5 tablespoons of oil in here right now. Let the pan heat up for a little bit. It's perfect right now, as you can see there's some smoke coming out. We're going to put the chicken in the pan. And we're going to brown it on both sides for about a couple of minutes. Lower the flame to medium-low. It's been about a minute now, and you're going to flip the chicken over. And we're going to cook it about a minute or so on this side, on medium-high. We're going to flip the chicken now. It's been already a minute. Let's flip the chicken over. Look at that beautiful color. For another minute. We're going to keep it here for one more minute, and then we're going to remove it. It's been a minute now. We're going to lower the flame and remove the chicken and keep it aside. We'll finish cooking the chicken later in the sauce. Now we're going to be adding some garlic, 7 cloves of garlic chopped. And the flame is at low at this point. Saute the garlic, scrape the pan, beautiful. We're going to saute the garlic. We're going to add in a 1/4 chopped yellow onion and a tablespoon of butter. And the flame at this point is still low. We're going to saute this till the garlic and the onion become a little soft. As you're cooking, try to scrape off the bottom. That's where the flavor is. You don't want to lose any flavors. Here you go. We're going to let the onions be a little soft, about half a minute. The flame is still on low. We're going to increase the flame a little bit to medium. And saute the onions. As you can see, the onions are looking amazing and the garlic is browned nicely. At this point, we're going to add in 2 cups of sliced mushrooms. You can use cremini mushrooms, button mushrooms. These are baby bella mushrooms. And they're 2 cups sliced. You want to saute them a little bit. Still on medium flame. Scrape the pan as much as you can. All the yumminess is at the bottom. This is one of my kids' favorite dishes, and actually some of my friends' favorite dishes. It's creamy, it's garlicky, it's got mushrooms. It's delicious. Looking good. At this point, we're going to lower the flame and we're going to move everything to the side. And we're going to add in about 1.5 tablespoons of all-purpose flour. We're going to saute it just a little bit at a time, bringing everything together slowly. As you're sauteing, make sure you cook it really well. You don't want the raw flavor of the flour. This is going to give us a nice gravy. The flour is a thickener. We're going to make sure the flame is at medium, not too high. And now we're going to add in, there's about 2 cups of chicken stock here. We're going to add in 1 cup at a time. At this point, I like to use the whisk and whisk everything up. That way, and lower the fire to low. That way there is no clumps of any kind. Now let's keep adding the other half. Stir it. Put the flame on medium. To a nice boil. At this point, we're going to add in some seasoning. You can do Italian seasoning, or Trader Joe's has a 21 Salute seasoning right here. Put that in, I would say about 1/2 tablespoon. Coming up to a nice boil. Like I've always said, we need to taste our cooking as we go. Perfect. Salt is perfect. Seasoning's perfect. At this point, we're going to add in our chicken back to the sauce and cook it a little bit more. All the yummy juices. We're going to cook this in the pan till the chicken is fully cooked and the juices are all seeped into the chicken. We're going to lower the flame to low and cover this up for about 2 minutes. Let's check on the chicken. It's bubbling really nicely. We're going to flip the chicken over. The chicken is almost cooked, but not quite. I'm going to cover the lid and put it on medium now for another couple of minutes. It's been 3 minutes now. Look, the chicken's looking amazing and smelling divine too. We're going to flip it before we add the next ingredient. We're going to increase the flame to medium high. And now we're going to add in whipping cream or heavy whipping cream. I would say about 1/2 cup first. Stir this up. Make sure the flame is on medium high. It's looking creamy and delicious. Let's give it a try. Delicious. The flavors are really getting into the gravy. The mushrooms, I taste the mushrooms, I taste the Italian seasoning, the cream is bringing out everything. We're going to let this simmer for a little bit before we turn off the flame. I don't like to use too much cream in this dish. You can add a little bit more if you would like, but for me and my family, I think 1/2 cup will be enough. We're going to let it simmer. Do not cover it at this point, and on medium, let it simmer for a little bit. Here we have about 2 tablespoons of chopped up scallion, which we're going to use as garnish and also as flavor. There you go, we have it. Creamy mushroom chicken with garlic and onions. Let's give it one last try. Super delicious. You can serve this with mashed potatoes, rice pilaf, or even bread. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to my channel, DishDashDelish, keeping it real and simple. Bye.